Hi students, welcome back. We were discussing about the different capital budgeting techniques. Before that, we have discussed about the basic capital budgeting technique. That is what? That is the payback period. After that, we have discussed how to calculate the accounting rate of return. Now we are going to discuss the next technique that is very important. That is what? That is the net present value, or what we call it as a NPV. So net present value or NPV is the technique that we are going to discuss next one. So what is the formula for that? It is a very simple one. So it is the sum of the present value of the inflows, means we will calculate the present values of all the inflows at a specific discount factor or the specific required rate of return, and then we will subtract the present value of the outflow. So we have sum of the present value of inflows minus the present value of the outflows. So in the simple examples what we have a one project with the total outflow of 60,000, and then we have inflows of next 4 years, that is 20,000, same inflow for the next 4 years, and the discount rate or the required rate of return that we are going to use is what? That is the 12%. For the 12% discount rate, if we calculate the present value, obviously for the 60,000 it will be the same because it is the current period. For the next 1 year is 17,000, 15, 14 and 12. How it is calculated, we have already discussed in the present value of the compound interest or the present value of the annuity. So if we total that one, the present value, the sum of all the present value, the answer is 60,747. So 60,000 is total inflow what we are getting, but the inflow in the form of the present value, because overall inflow is like a 20 into 4 is almost 80,000, but the present value of that is how much? That is 60,747. And how much is the outflow? Outflow is 60,000. So if we subtract it, so outflow we are paying and inflow what we are getting, so the net amount, the net present value what we are getting is 6747 minus 60,000. So the answer is 747 as a positive value. Positive means what? That this project is giving 12% return and even more than that. So if the answer is positive, means this project is giving more than 12%. Our required rate of return or discount rate of return is 12%, but this project is giving us a 12% return plus something extra. So 7 plus 4, 7, positive value means this project should be accepted. For example, if we have any other project and the answer is, let's say, negative, so what we have to do? We have to reject that project. So this is the basic concept, that we have inflows, we have outflows, but we have to calculate the present value at a specific discount rate, and then we have subtract the present value inflows and present value outflows. And if the answer is positive, means if inflows are more, we have to accept the project. If outflows are more, obviously we have to reject the project. So this is the basic concepts how we're using the net present value. Thank you very much.